time to do this, but I guess it's almost 10 o'clock p.m. Alright, so it's 9:53 p.m. at my dad's house, so Ozzy, I guess, is sleeping, but I'm not gonna tease him my Crocs, because these more expensive than my other previous ones, because I threw away my old ones, had them for 2 years, but it's time to get rid of the old ones, like the old gray ones, but I got the new ones, SpongeBob, like, tomorrow makes 1 week. They had these for 6 days now, and tomorrow will make 7 days, so yeah, so this will be a week by tomorrow. And these are special ones. I'm not gonna tease Ozzy with my Crocs, so I'm trying not to get these damaged a lot. So I'll keep them in good shape for like more than 2 years. So I'm just trying my best to not ruin these Crocs. These are SpongeBob edition ones, so I'm not gonna tease Ozzy with my Crocs, as I promised myself not to. Freshie, you better wake up. You there? I see you. What are you doing? Up. I know I woke you up. I saw you flash the light on you. I know you're deaf. Give me a sock. You didn't hear me. Give me a sock. Give me a sock. Yeah, I know you. You can't hear me. He's deaf. Both of his ears, he's deaf. Give me a sock. You can't even hear that. Okay, try to do this. You can't even hear that. Give me a sock. Give me a sock. He can hear. He knows what I'm talking. What I'm saying. Like, give me a sock. He gets angry, but give me a sock. Give me a sock. Give me a sock. You see right here? It's not. You know what? I tell you, give me a sock. I tell you, even back at Tower 16, you want the sock? You want the sock? You were probably talking war back in Tower 16, 8 years ago. You want the sock? I'll give you a sock. Play tug of war. I know you be. Stop. I know you were more playful back in old years. Even you were born years ago, around July. I know you were born July. Why are you gonna be a barker still? So I know you were born 11 years ago. Look, you. I know you were born till I was 13. That was 11 years ago. And I got you ever since October. I know you are again old now. and you're walking just not right. And I know you. I had you since October till I was 13. July and October. 3 months later, I had you. Okay, I had you. Right now, apparently I have you 11 years. And you changed a lot. I know you changed a lot. Because look at your tail. Your tail. Your tail used to be a curve, but now it's a pigtail. It's like used to be this. Now it's like a swirly, like a pigtail, like that now, because it's grown. Shut up. I'm gonna tell you. Shut up. I tell you to shut up. Stop. Come here. Just stop it, please. I know I had you since October till I was 14, and you were born July till I was 14. 3 months later, we adopted you for free. So I know you're gonna start and get older. 11 years later, and you're still alive, but yeah, I know you're starting to get old. And you look like not playful as much anymore. So you used to be playful 10 years ago, and 8 years ago too. So I know you're starting to get more aggressive. You're biting. Not the playful bites. You're more the aggressive biter now, apparently. So yes. And that's why you're deaf, because you're scratching your ears, both ears. That's why too. So I get it. So now I get it now. So apparently, you've been deaf since 4 years ago. So yes, I know your back legs are just starting to get old too. I know you used to jump on here, but now it's starting to get a little more difficult for you apparently too. So yes. I know life's changing for you, and you're starting to get older, and you don't have a girlfriend still, and I know you're starting to get older because you don't have your own puppies, because you don't have a girl dog in your whole life. But remember, 10 years ago, you were trying to do the thing, the mating thing, like for Petrol. I know Petrol is older than you, apparently. But I'll just say slightly older, because she is bigger for you. Shannon's friend, Andrea still have that dog, and Petrol's still alive, and Petrol apparently is still older than you, so yes. And Petrol, I bet, have a funny feeling she is fixed and she can't have puppies, but you could be a good dad right now, because you were born like 11 years ago, and then you're right now full grown, and you're old right now. I can tell you're starting to get old too, so I'll leave it be, but I'll tease you one more time and I'll stop. Here's a sock. You wanna play fight, or I'm just gonna tease you with a sock? And it looks like you're gonna be lazy. I can slap you in the butt. I can smack you with a sock. Alright, I guess I'll call it for now.